everyone, my name is April Mirzafaki. I come from Sumbawa, and here I want to tell you about my best experience in my life. My experience is winning championship Pencak in Java. In a small village in Java, I, April Mirzafaki, an 18 years old youth, had been practicing Pencak since childhood. Pencak was not just a martial art for me, it was part of my cultural identity. After years of training under the guidance of a wise teacher, I felt ready to participate in the provincial level Pencak Championship. My preparation began long before the big day. Every morning, I woke up before dawn train. I practiced basic techniques, movements, and fighting strategies. Additionally, I maintained my diet and physical fitness. The support from my family and friends was incredibly motivating. They often came to watch my practice and offered encouragement, boosting my confidence. Finally, the waited day arrived. The championship was held in a crowded sports hall filled with enthusiastic spectators. I felt a mix of excitement and anxiety. When my name was called to compete, my heart raced. I stepped into the arena wearing the Silat uniform that I was proud of. In my first match, I faced an opponent who seemed very tough. However, I tried to stay calm and focus on the techniques I had learned. With a combination of quick movements and precise strategy, I managed to defeat that opponent. The cheers from the audience fueled my spirit even more. After several matches, I reached the final round. My opponent was the reigning champion with extensive experience. I knew this would be the biggest challenge in my Pencak career. Before the match, I took a moment to reflect and remember all the training and sacrifice I had made. As the final match began, I felt tremendous pressure. My opponent attacked aggressively, but I tried to remain calm. I relied on my techniques and speed, attempting to read my opponent's movement. After several minutes of fighting, I managed to execute a surprising counterattack and score important points. The match was tightly contested, but in the end, I emerged victorious by a narrow margin. The cheers of the audience echoed throughout the arena. I couldn't contain my emotion of joy and relief as the referee raised my hand as the winner. When the victory medal was hung around my neck, I felt all the hard work and sacrifice had paid off. I expressed my gratitude to my coach, family, and friends who had always supported me. I promise to continue training and contribute to the development of Pencak in my village. Winning the Pencak Championship in Java was not just about the medal I received, but also about valuable lessons in disciplines, hard work, and gratitude. I realized that Pencak is a path of personal development and cultural preservation, and I'm determined to pass on this tradition to the future generation. Keep striving and not give up during Pencak training is crucial and requires a deep understanding of the values embedded in this martial art. Pencak is more than just fighting techniques, it is a philosophy of life that teach discipline, determination, and preservation. Every movement, learn every punch, kick, and sequence is a step toward perfection. The mental and physical strength needed in training reflects the struggle faced in everyday life. Imagine yourself as a warrior facing various life challenges. Each training session is a battlefield that tests your strength, endurance, and resolve. When the urge to give up arises, remember that every day drop of sweat is proof of your effort and commitment. The pain you experience signifies that you are in the process of growth and development. Keep fighting and never give up. Behind every drop of sweet pain and failure lies extraordinary strength. The strength will lead you to the pinnacle of perfection, make you a true warrior, and prepare you to face life challenge with courage. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you. Bye.